Good evening, students. I am Mrs. Parvati, PGT Physics, Holy Hearts Educational Academy, Raipur, Chhattisgarh. Today, we are discussing the derivation of E, electric field intensity at a point on the equatorial line of an electric dipole. Equatorial line means it is the perpendicular bisector of dipole axis. Perpendicular bisector of dipole axis is called equatorial line. So when you consider this is this is electric dipole minus P, and this is plus Q, minus Q and plus Q and O, and the distance between these two is 2A, and the point is, this is the perpendicular bisector, and we have considered a point P here, that is plus 1 coulomb charge. If you place plus 1 coulomb charge here, then what happens? This is minus sign here. The field will be towards. So this is the direction of EA mentioned here. This EA, since it is an equilateral triangle, here, isosceles triangle, I am so sorry, isosceles triangle, this is theta here, and we know that this EA can be resolved into two components, that is EA cos theta and EA sin theta. Similarly, due to the point B here, it is moving away. The angle is theta here, and this can be resolved into two components. One is EB cos theta and EB sin theta. Right? Let us calculate the magnitude of EA. Magnitude of EA is, and you know the distance between the point AP and BP are equal since it is isosceles triangle. The value is under root of A square plus R square. Right? Now, so what we have to do is, EA is equal to Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square. EB is also same value here. Their magnitudes are equal. EA and EB magnitudes are equal here. Yeah. So, what happened here? EB sin theta and EA sin theta are equal and opposite to each other. This is EB sin theta and EA sin theta and EB sin theta. They are equal and opposite to each other, so they cancel each other. So what is the resultant effect? Only along P x dash direction, that is negative x axis, rather than we can say here EA cos theta plus EB sin theta. EA cos theta plus EB cos theta. That is 2 EA cos theta. Sin theta components are getting cancelled. So the net field is given by E is equal to 2 into Q by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square, because it is 2 EA cos theta. What is cos theta? Base upon hypotenuse, A upon R square plus A square to the power of half here. So if you simplify that, you will get E is equal to P by 4 pi epsilon naught R square plus A square to the power of 3 by 2. If R is greater than A, then the formula is E is equal to P by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. The direction of E is from right to left, that is along negative x-axis in this case. Along negative x-axis in this case here. Right? Now, let us take a special case. Just now we have discussed R is proportional to, R is much more greater than A. So, E is equal to P by 4 pi epsilon naught R cube. Now, the electric field intensity is very strong, very high value it has on the axial line compared to the equatorial line when the distance is same from the center of the dipole here. Thank you. Do the problems based on this formula and in NCERT book and other reference books and all. Practice it and have a nice day. See you soon.